Hello, viewers. This was still Engineer 1. Engineer 1, no size. I'm here today on a topic called flaring tool in an air conditioning system. When you say flaring tool, what comes in your mind? Flaring tool is a tool in the air conditioning system which is used in opening one end of a copper pipe after the nut have been fixed to prevent leakages of gas or to prevent leakages in installation process. And another way is a tool which is used for opening one end of a pipe which is to be welded to another pipe so that it can fix for a perfect welding. Viewers, another person will be asking, how do you use this tool? Never mind. Engineer 1 is here. I'm here with my tool. This is how to use this flaring tool. We have two main parts of this flaring tool. I am here with my part called the flame section. This is the flame section of the flaring tool. And another one, this is called the yoke of this tool. How to use this tool? You first of all pick your flame, and inside this flame there is a lot of holes which have been indicated to show or which is to use to determine the actual size of the pipe that you want to flare or opening the end. So I'm here to flare a specific pipe called an half-inch pipe. I've cut just some piece of the half-inch pipe. After that, I opened the end nut of this flame so that I can slot this half-inch pipe into the half-inch hole on this flame. After slotting this pipe, make sure you slot it to the end of it so that it will just make a level on its surface. After that, secondly, you will begin to tighten the side nuts. After finish tightening it, you go for your yoke. This yoke, you place it on top of the edge of the pipe being fixed. After placing it, you turn it to the right. You see there will be a lockup. When you lock it up like this, then you begin to turn down the shaft of the yoke. In this process, you see the end side of the pipe will begin to flare or enlarge or open. When you turn it to a limit, you see there will be no turning point anymore. Then you loose it up and you move to see the work being done. After that, you check the edge. Now we can all see nice flare on this end of the pipe. After that, we lose this end node so that we can remove our pipe. Perfect. This is how to flare a pipe with using this flaring tool nut. And another way, you can also flare it, but you shouldn't let it be flared more like this and slot another pipe into it like this to blaze it for a perfect welding. Thank you very much. I know you'll be waiting for a lot more. Don't worry. With Engineer 1, all tax, no size.